Mathematics class 12. Today we shall begin chapter 9, differential equations. What do you mean by differential equation? An equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variables is known as differential equation. So it is also equation, but it has got derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Examples: x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Here variables are x and y, and this is the derivative. Okay, here second one is 2d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube equal to 0. Now here also we can see second order, third and first order. So there are derivatives. So we can say this is differential equation. Order of differential equation. It is the order of the highest order derivative occurring in differential equation. So now you can look at this equation. Here x dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now the first it is differentiated once, right? Dy by dx means first order or first time derivative. Therefore the degree or order of this equation is 1. Look at this equation here, 2d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube equal to 0. Here this is differentiated only once, and this is differentiated 2 times, d square y by dx square. So highest order of derivative is second time. Okay, so the order of this differential equation is 2. Now I have taken one more example here, d cube y by dx cube plus x square d square y by dx square power 3 equal to 0. Here this is second time derivative, second derivative is here, this is third derivative. So this is the third order, right? So this is called, and this will be taken as the order of this differential equation. So third is the highest order which is occurring in this equation. So order of this differential equation is 3. Highest order derivative is 3, so order is 3. Degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation is defined if it is a polynomial equation in its derivatives. So this degree is defined only if your given differential equation is polynomial equation in its derivatives. Otherwise degree is not defined. Therefore degree, when defined, of differential equation is the highest power positive integer only of the highest order derivative in it. For example, you can look here, the highest order derivative is this one, power 3. Okay, d cube by dx square. So third derivative, third order derivative. You have to look at the power of this. The power of this is 1. So degree of this differential equation will be 1. Okay, it will be 1, not these 3, because you have to see the highest differential, which is highest order derivative. That power you have to check. Okay, if you check for here, the highest derivative is d square y by dx square. So degree of this equation also will be 1, because the power of this is 1. And here 1. Exercise 9.1. Determine order and degree if defined of differential equation in exercise 1 to 10. Question number 1. D power 4y divided by dx power 4 plus sin y triple dash equal to 0. So this is third derivative of y. Here the highest order derivative in given differential equation is d power 4y divided by dx power 4, and its order is 4. So highest order, which order? That means the highest differential. Here this is y power 3 dash, no? That means third differential, and this is y power 4, d power 4y divided by dx power 4. That means this is fourth order. So the order of this differential equation is 4. Okay, and here what happens, this is not a polynomial equation in derivatives. Okay, this given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in derivatives, as the term sin y triple dash is trigonometric function of derivative y triple dash. Therefore degree is not defined. See here, this is, when you combine together with this one is not giving you the polynomial equation in derivatives. Okay, this is trigonometric functions of derivative of y triple dash. Therefore this given equation has got no degree. Okay, degree is not defined. So order is 4 and degree is not defined. Question number 2. Y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Y dash means first order. Okay, first derivative, dy by dx. So first derivative is first, so it will be order is 1. Okay, and what is the power of this? The power of this is 1, so degree is 1. Okay, I am not writing, you can just write like this. The first part, second will be, the order is, degree is 1. Question number 3. ds by dt power 4 plus 3s d square s by dt square equal to 0. Here ds by dt and d square s by dt square, among these two, this is the highest order, right? This is first derivative, this is second derivative. So the second derivative is the order, that is 2. Okay, and the power of this, you have to consider the power of this as a something like that. Okay, the power if you consider like this. Okay, You can see the power is 1. So the degree will be 1 here. Okay, and this is polynomial equation in derivatives. The highest order derivative is d square s by dt square, this part, and its order is 2. So the second derivative's order is 2. The given equation is a polynomial equation in derivatives, and the highest power raised to highest order derivatives, that is this one, d square s by dt square is 1. This power is 1. So degree is 1. Okay, so degree is 1 and order is 2. Question number 4. D square y by dx square power 2 plus cos dy by dx equal to 0. Now here also you can see this cos dy by dx. This is not again polynomial in derivatives. Okay, because of this term cos dy by dx. Okay, so it has got no degree, but it has got order, second order, right? Because d square y by dx square, this is second time differentiated, so second order. The highest order derivative present in differential equation is d square y by dx square, and its order is 2. So order of this equation is 2. The given differential equation is not polynomial equation in derivative. Why? Because of this term. As the term cos dy by dx is a trigonometric function of derivative dy by dx, therefore degree is not defined. Okay, so degree is not defined because this term is occurring. Okay, the cos dy by dx is not only cos trigonometric function, but it is a cos dy by dx. Okay, derivative of dy by dx is this. Okay, therefore the degree is not defined. Order is 2 and degree is not defined. Now for the rest question up to 10, I have just directly written, not written this extension. Okay, that you can just write it how we have written previously. Okay, question number 5, d square y by dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. The order. Now order means which derivative is done. Here d square y by dx means second derivative is done, so order is 2. And degree means power of this is 1. Okay, not given means 1. Then number 6, y triple dash square plus y double dash cube plus y dash power 4 plus y power 5 equal to 0. Here this is third derivative, second derivative, first derivative, and this is just y. So the third derivative is the highest order. So we can say the order is 3 and its power is 2. So order degree is 2. Question 7, y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash equal to 0. This y triple dash means third order derivative, this second order, this first order. So third order is the highest order, so 3 is the order, and the degree of this is 1, so degree is 1. Question 8, y dash plus y is equal to e power x. Now here y dash is first derivative. Okay, so we can say that the order is 1 and the power of this is 1, so order and degree both are 1. 9. Question number 9, y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y equal to 0. This is polynomial function, okay? And y double dash, that is second order, this second order. So order is 2 and its power is 1, so degree is 1. Question number 10, y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y equal to 0. Here this also is polynomial, okay? Though sin y is that this y is only trigonometric function, not the derivative. So this is polynomial function, okay? And the order is the y double dash, that is second order. So order is 2 and its power is 1, so degree is 1. I have written for this. The given differential equation is polynomial equation in derivative y double dash and y dash. Okay, this one. Sin y is a trigonometric function of y but not a trigonometric function of derivatives. It is trigonometric function of y but not derivative. Just like previous, like cos dy by dx, and here sin d power 3. Okay, that t y power 3 means third derivative of y. Okay, so that's why it has got order also and degree also. Okay, question number 11, the degree of differential equation d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus sin dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0 is, you have to find the degree. Now again we can say that this is not a polynomial function in derivative. Why? Because of this term which is occurring. Okay, since this term is occurring, this is not derivative in polynomial of differential. Therefore what we will do, it has got no degree. The equation is not a polynomial in derivative as sin dy by dx is trigonometric function of derivative dy by dx. Therefore degree is not defined, that is option D. This 11 and 12 is only the option you have to select. Question number 12, the order of differential equation 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y equal to 0 is. Now here order. This order means highest derivative. So highest derivative is second derivative. So order is 2. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, we'll keep this much. Thank you very much.